Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, find the LCM, means least common multiple of the following number. And we have to find the LCM of 90, 225 and 35. Now, let us find first prime factorization. So by prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. It means 2 into 3 square into 5. Then 225 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. It means 3 square into 5 square. And 35 is 7 into 5. Okay. So, from this, we can find the least common multiple of this 90, 225 and 35 is, firstly, the highest power of 2 is 1. Okay. Then, from this 3, the highest power of 3 is 2. So, take 3 square. Then, highest power of 5 is 2. So, take 5 square. And then, highest power of 7 is 1. So, take 7. So, the multiplication of all these is 3105. Hence, least common multiple of 90, 225 and 35 is 3150.